You can wrap baby all sorts of ways with a swaddle blanket, but here's a simple style new parents love. Lay the blanket out in a diamond shape. Then fold the top corner down about a quarter of the way. You may need to adjust depending on baby's size. Position baby over the blanket so that the middle of their ears meet the top of the folded corner. Then fold the left side down and across baby's chest with their left arm tucked in, wrapping the rest under baby's tush. Repeat with the other side. Then bring the bottom of the blanket up to baby's chin and around to their back. Be sure to swaddle snugly, but not too tight. Baby's hips and legs should be able to move a little. If baby fusses when their arms are inside the swaddle, try swaddling with arms out. It gives them more freedom while still offering that cozy, wrapped feeling around the chest and body. Swaddle how you normally would, but start with the top of the blanket below baby's armpits instead of at their ears. Want more sleep tips like these? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and download the free Pathways.org Baby Milestones app to get expert-backed advice and milestone activities that support your baby's development day and night. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other social media accounts in the description below. It's never too early or too late to get baby on the right pathway.